Welcome to another episode of Christian Capitalism, brought to you by Todd's Help, things that have helped me for a long time. Let's talk. I want to talk to you about something today. And what it is Todd's tend to win. What is it all about? We've gone through in the other series the things we talked about. And number one was pray and plan family. Pay yourself first. Write down your goals every day. Eat well. Move more. Learn every single day. Form a team that can advise you. Review with that team on a regular basis. And finally, number 10 is HOPE. HOPE stands for Help Other People Excel. That's where you take everything that God has blessed you with, that you've learned all these years, that has helped you to become successful, and you pay it forward. You start to share with people. If everyone does this, okay, the world's going to just explode with success and Christian capitalists that are doing well to do good in the world for the glory of God, because that's what it's really all about. And we're going to spend some time on that hope. You know, people don't realize that all of us need a mentor. From the time we're little, we learn to walk, we learn to talk, all the things that we do, it's all because we're seeing other people. I always notice that sometimes the last child in a household, he seems to be maybe sometimes the best athlete. He's watched all the others come up through the process, you know. So there's a science behind it, and humans need tools and they need each other. And the tools I'm talking about, Todd's tend to win, they're mental tools, they're spiritual tools, but they're just as real as a hammer and a saw. You know, you have to build your own system. Take mine, use it, make it your own, tweak it. Because I promise you, everything I'm talking about today that I used, I created it wasn't out of thin air. It's from all the coaches that I hired, the people I've worked with all these years. So take advantage of that and remember hope. Help other people excel. You can't outgive God. It's going to all come back, all right? So if you like anything of this, subscribe, check us out. Read my books on Amazon, Money Help, Holistic Economic Life Planning, and the book on teamwork, Possum Ugly. Remember, as always, until I see you again, remember what my Uncle Phil says. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. God bless.